Let us now take a look at yet another basic parameter of movement, dynamics. The changing rhythms of dynamics are the most ephemeral aspect of human movement. Yet this part of movement is easy to decode if we remember that we live in a gravity field creating sensations of weight. In a world where time is always passing, in an environment where we must aim, orient, and focus our motions, and in a society where we must control the flow of action by gradating changes in muscle tension. These four elements, weight, time, focus, and flow, are the basic parameters of movement dynamics. Each of these basic elements can be seen to vary between two qualities.
Weight varies between increasing and decreasing pressure. The dancer enters with increasing pressure, which changes to decreasing pressure and then gradually changes again to increasing pressure, reaching a point of real intensity, releases into decreasing pressure, maintains the decreasing pressure, abruptly changes to increasing pressure, and concludes again with decreasing pressure. Increasing pressure. Decreasing pressure. Time varies between accelerating and decelerating. Decelerating, accelerating to decelerate, accelerating to decelerate, a series of very brief accelerations, more acceleration, an abrupt change to decelerating to end. Accelerating, decelerating. Focus varies between directing and indirecting in the aiming of movement. The dancer begins with a quick direct movement and maintains that direct focus, varying it now with indirecting, which is maintained to go back to a direct focus, and now switching to a multiple indirecting orientation. Directing. Indirecting. The flow factor, which deals with the control of motion, varies between binding and freeing, beginning with freeing flow, which is less controlled, and now becoming more controlled by binding the flow. Here we release into free flow to catch the motion with bound flow, and now we go into free flow, quickly changing to binding and controlling the flow. The binding is maintained through these precise, controlled motions, and now the dancer easily and freely releases. Binding, freeing. These dynamic qualities may combine with each other, as in these examples. Free flow, decreasing pressure, firm, quick. Decelerating, decreasing pressure. Free, accelerate, direct, quick. Dynamics can build up in a crashing crescendo. or explode and wane in a decrescendo. The intensity of an action may build and fall, build and fall. Or maintain an evenness of dynamic quality throughout. To summarize, through dynamic combinations and sequences, movement moods and rhythms are created. In the following examples, we will concentrate on describing these rhythmic changes as they occur over time. Directing, firm, direct, accelerating. Directing, firm, direct, accelerating. Directing, firm, direct, accelerating. Firm, quick, free, firm, quick, free, firm, quick, free, firm, quick, free, and this effort is repeated until the sequence ends. Directing, firm, direct, quick. Decreasing pressure with free flow.
You have just seen a few examples of how dynamic rhythms, the sculpting of space, and the use of the body combine in sequences to create the almost inexhaustible variety of human movement. The analytical framework developed by Rudolf Laban can aid in the task of deciphering movement behavior. Utilizing the broad categories of body part usage, use of space, and dynamics, movement perception can be greatly refined. In the following example, which you have viewed before, we will demonstrate how the whole framework can be used to elucidate human movement.
Postural action, upper body initiation, lower body initiation, a gesture from the upper body, ending with a posture. Sagittal emphasis, switching to a horizontal emphasis, and ending in the vertical. Free flow accelerating, directing, free quick direct, ending with free flow.
Movement is a fascinating phenomenon. Tools such as movement analysis can aid our understanding of this ever-present part of human life. In the chapters that follow, we will elaborate on other processes, tools, and strategies which can be used to help us understand and to penetrate further the world of behavior which lies beyond words.